Ntwana Orlando bekwenzakalani mfana? Orlando Pirates playing against ile bedlala
Polokwane.
iPolokwane.
Yeah.
Uyibona kanjani iBhakaniya because mina I felt ukuthi the score line and the performance, the reflection of the game. The score line is not the true reflection of the game because I feel ukuthi Pirates should have scored more goals.
Yeah, true mfana. Someone when abukela iscore angayibukelanga igame they will think maybe Pirates is struggling. But honestly speaking, Pirates created a lot of chances.
Kwenzakaleni? Ngambani? Why inet ingagcwalanga? Why ingagcwalanga inet?
South Africa has a problem of scoring. They created chances, like clear-cut chances, but were creative. I can count from Tito, Ngwana Sesi also got a chance. Same thing, yaga Ubani Ohizu. Same thing, naye. But Tito Yambuyisela tap in wrong technique naye. So the Pirates played so well, and ngizokutshela ngelontuzane why they are so good going forward with Police and Mremi. It's that thing ngikutshela yona ngithi umthetho and the coaching.
I'm Teta man.
No, ngifuna ukutshela something. Angithi ngikutshela ngeChiefs, ngikutshela ngePirates, the difference in terms of players.
Okay. Oh, ngiyakuthola.
At Pirates they have Unduli. Unduli sits there.
Nje.
He sits there. He allows Utito. He allows Police. He allows Lumfana Unemjatela.
Yeah.
He allows Umurem to go forward and do their thing. You know, all he does is he covers them. Whether they lose the ball, he's always there to cover them. Magaluni abaniga futhi. Magal lose. I'll win yena abagaye futhi to go again. So ibagaye confident amajita nabo la ukuthi yazini we can go because we know we've got a donkey there that's working for us. You understand? That's what I'm saying umthetho he should be doing. Louis unike laba baqhubeke. Angithi ba skillful. Phela angekwenze yonke into. Now bangithi they lack in marking. So strength sakhe lawyer ukumarka.
So what was the game plan?
So iPirates very impressed by Tito Maswangai. I saw the coach Bafana on the stands. He saw Tito. Tito was spana.
He was buzzing.
He was buzzing. He was making runs in the right positions. Lento yakhe ukubuyela yolanda le kuma defender. He was there making runs, forward runs behind the defenders. Hence he got that chance where acrossela Ngwana Sesi. Even the first goal when that goal came. Uye ozangalela bhola lela ufaka usibilibili ulibuyisa lana ku police cross. You understand? So he was involved to a game. He was buzzing to Mchita.
Yeah. In terms of Jongoba we coach interview, just mfuna just ukwazi ukuthi iPolokwane City yona because beyidlala obvious away.
Yeah.
As now we coach ntwana. Bekuyini strategy se Polokwane City kule game against the Orlando Pirates. They were tactical or tactically.
So tactically, how they set up is they baqale ngelo block.
Okay. So baqale ngokuyisaba iPirates.
Baqale ngokuyisaba ukuthi yazini let's absorb the pressure because they knew Pirates comes from a loss and obviously manje bakwatile they're gonna come attacking. So they were aware of that. They tried let's absorb the pressure. Maybe second half we'll try to come out and play. But it did not work out because yes, as much as they tried to contain the Pirates in the first half, they did not create so many chances the Pirates because of the structure, the way they were structured. Badlalile in terms of that plan. But second half, they tried good as in guys. Now we can try to come out and try to create chances of which they did not create so many chances, but it opened a move. Because the Pirates, that's when they started to create chances. That's when crack Pirates they say, yo, they created so many chances, Joe.
Yeah, but kusho coach, yes, with Pirates he will be happy the way ngizwa ngakhona ntwana uzojabulela 3 points which is very important. Of course, because challenge league.
Yeah.
Nangisho kuliswa le Sundowns phela
league
ukuthi at least ileague ayihambe kahle ibe yabona ibe interesting yabona kungabi nalamagebha amaningi lawa iChanta sejwayele ukwavula in terms of points yabona which is good for the league and the players they've got an opportunity manje everyone I know ukuthi Hugo Bros bafethu une database yakhe yama player but if you can do well next month ngoNovember any player engavutha mpela ngoNovember mfana ama chances ukuthi December the following month ube ku AFCON akhona so the players they must be motivated ukuthi there's an opportunity for everyone because Hugo Bros aka ubiza noma ubani I mean na intwana ye TS Galaxy undamani 90 minutes center back young player TS Galaxy and if uyakhumbula wambiza kucala kwaba ilesa sididi se passport uyakhumbula kwaba ilesa sididi se passport so I'm saying to the players get motivation from this up and coming two big tournaments it's a World Cup it's AFCON to perform well
no one can afford to relax manje
yeah that's why ngithi
no even if team yakho ntwana uyazi ukuthi I'm a starter you can't relax
yes
because someone who shares the same position with you kwenye team uyabhaza you're competing for a position so everyone must be buzzing manje everyone because number one they all know ukuthi ku national team coach mhlawumbe ufuna abadlale kanjani so they need to step up amajite
yeah but iPulukwane City I feel ukuthi njengoba vele bayile baluza no Apolis yeah it's a big factor mdladla I creativity yabo ukuya phambili ayisekho at all like for me
nothing going forward
ayisekho mdladla and they need to now make sure ukuthi senior coach and the DDC coaches they work hand in hand like Orlando Pirates uDugudu with from Jose the way a promoter khona bombokazi all yonke le lama 2000 lama Cocomelon eso agcwele lapha ku Pirates you understand it's because of a understanding and working relationship between the senior coach and the development coaches you understand I think most of the teams bayileka lento because you already knew last season already ukuthi Apolis is wanted you know ukuthi it's not going to last if you akhumbula Apolis was supposed ukuthi
2 seasons
or that season ago yes but you still don't awupheki intwana from good development ezo replace Apolis I think lama team lawa manje ayikabi that's why sometimes we say they are small teams because they think small sometimes you understand that's my view but coming to coach Pirates he'll be happy with 3 points but he'll be disappointed in terms of not being clinical and scoring more goals after being hammered bona ku CAF
I think they are playing a big game this coming weekend they need to score more than 3 goals so he is 50-50 he's happy he's not happy because I'm saying he's happy he's not happy because they did not convert but he is happy that they created the chances so now during the week now he has to work on the players finishing he knows what to work on now because as a coach you get worried if you don't create chances
yes
if nje niyadlala but the ball I like that game Kaizer Chiefs with this game Pirates they created chances and that is motivating in a way so they must work on their finishing they know how much they need to be clinical in front of goals because this coming game vele in the log and then this boy mfana uSiyema okay they were not under pressure Pirates that is why you could not even see Umbogazi tackling and all that jabo on the ball he needs to also improve because he lost two balls almost considered ilontuzana
marumnandi lamfana wabonile lawo maphasi but umnandi lamfana nangephasa I think
at that level ama mistake lawa amancane azomlimazisa when they play ama teams apanisha so ngithi mina kuye nje ukuthi umfana ukuthi anga relax because the game they were not being challenged so ingcondo nayo iyayehla so I'm saying to him he needs to be always switched on ungayenzi a slack pass because
No, understand. Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
unga-relax because
Ngiyakuthola.
twice balikhathile mfethu cishe bayokhola.
Yeah, ngibonile.
So he needs to be always switched on. He does have the technical ability to play. Angimdoubt.
So kusho ukuthi
I'm saying the mind must always be switched on.
njengombokazi.
Njengombokazi.
Kusho ukuthi manje lapha ku number 10 sisivala ntwana. Master Chef ne-ambulance yasethembisa kusho ukuthi kuyoliwa for leya position or ucoach mabafit boy2 uzokwadlala boy2 athathe uSipho mhlawumbe amise ku6 or ku8.
Angithi nangunduli. Udlalisa angambodlalisa uMaster Chef noTito as a double 10.
Then when you defend, is it gonna work?
Izosipana.
Kusho ukuthi njengoba uTito mfana bekashisa kanje against iSwelele and uMaster Chef naye ulibele wenza kahle njengoba bekalimele and nakubafana wa excel even West uMaster Chef. Hey, stress musless for a coach.
It's a good stress.
Because uSipho njengoba untwana uTito bekalimele uye ebamnikeze that duty number 10 or and then yabona manje ukuthi sekayacala uyayi understand because uSipho is very very good ku 8 and 6 for me. Yabona but naku uyacala uyayi understand i10 kakhulu la ngibone khona ukuthi no sekaya improve manje sekaya understand ingathi sekaya understand because you don't learn ngokudlala nje ama game ayi2 kahle bese sithi so yazi he's now and trying like sekayafunda ukuthi leya role kumele ubuye and ifuna umoya kumele ubuye uchase kumele wenzeni and simbonile kubafana at some point abuya so defender chase enzani but I think kubafana he was exceptionally well kuleya number 10 and ngabona manje kule game yayo Impolokwane City lentwana leyo nibabizana labafana ya phela ngisase lentwana zamanje zibuye amagama ngizikhohle ubani
Nomtajela.
yeah nemtayo ubani yeah isho phela yena lo uqala igame naye and wafitha njenge glove so far ngibona ngathi coach ePirates at the moment usay rotate kahle
Rotate kahle. I feel ukuthi le ntwana le uNemtajela he's a good player. He's a good player, technically very good. He keeps the ball, he rotates the ball well for the team. But I always say to players ukuthi when you play as an attacker or as a midfielder, you need to have an assist, you need to have a goal in you. Because what happens when you find someone who's also good at keeping the ball, who's technically good as you? So you need to have something special abanye abantu abanganayo.
Yeah.
Like for instance, Umbatha. When Umbatha can score for you, but he's also good at keeping the ball. He's also good defensive.
Yeah,
so you need to have amalontuzana. So yena lo mfana lona uyambona mawubukela ibhola ukuthi lentwana iyalkena ibhola. But he needs to have something ukuthi especially ukuthi yazini sinida lento yalomfana lo. Uyangithola? I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, ngiyunderstand.
Because
yeah.
Abantu adlala nabo at Pirates, I used to tell uKabelo uDlamini ukuthi you are very good. Speciality sakhe ipass uKabela ngithi.
Hayi, yeah.
But what happens when there's someone who can play as him and pass as him? Then you need someone who can score. Uyangithola le ma position abawadlalayo as an attacker. Igoal intwana uyalidinga ne final pass as a midfielder uyayidinga. So uNemtajela he plays nje mari play yakhe I angifuna ukuthi ayiko productive but because he keeps the ball for us but akasitholele lama final pass lawa he did find one or two nyana kule game leya but I want him to improve.
Kahle uyini uyi attacking or defensive?
He's an attacking player.
Oh, he's an attacking player.
Yes. So he needs to kumele sikuthole eboxini mfethu. Kumele sikubone ushoota, kumele sikuthole mhlawumbe ufaka unwana sesi lapha ngefinal pass engage abu police going forward. Ngithola kungabi wena ukuthi play yakho is always yabo ukuthi hayi imnandi lelo uyibonile lithi kumele mfethu ube nalama final pass mfethu and ube productive.
Yeah, a police and I is he's always very consistent. He's
He's
very
so,
consistent and into besihlale sisho sithi la eSouth Africa ku PSL our biggest problem is consistency.
Yeah.
Yabona ama-player wadlali for the whole month. Let me just say nje 1 month. Ngathi season. Season ngibathweza umthwalo onzima kakhulu.
Yeah.
1 month nje umuntu abe consistent. So, but our policy has been consistent from Polokwane City till today.
Yeah.
Yini lento le mdladla ayilethile nje ungathi this thing that our police brought to Orlando Pirates team this season.
I wouldn't pinpoint one, but
Yeah.
he's I just love the way he combines with the players. For instance, Izol, his combination yakhe noSibilibili noTito noNgwana Sisi, because he plays wide but he uthanda ukungena phakathi, and he allowed uSibilibili to overlap.
Hey, naleyo ndoda leyo.
Akahlali lineini and make things easy for umuntu ommakhile defender, because what he does is he comes inside, then the defender must decide ukuthi uyamlandela or uyama lapha kuleya position le. Makangamlandeli, he receives, he turns, and when he turns, he's able to go inside and try to get those shots. That is one of his strength police.
And mina into enye emnandi, yes, clean sheets also. But man, ngifuna ukubona ubani konje the second reserve goalkeeper ye-Pirates. Ubuthelezi man. Yabona, sometimes I think they need to because mangalimala uChayini, we don't know Ubuthelezi.
Yeah.
So I think
I-rotation yalapha nayo kumele
I think kumele bayinake.
Yeah.
Yabona, kunamanye ama-game ayikabi, kunamanye ama-game uChayini you can afford to rest him and play this boy.
Yeah.
Ulo Ubuthelezi, so that naye azama keep up ku level, because angathi the day kunzima igame on inzima, big game, tough game, ulo uyalimala naye match fitness mentally akekho lapho, physically akekho mnandi. So I think mabangazama nokurotate nje lapha ku goalkeeping department to give lo mfana naye opportunity in some of the games, so that naye akwazi ukuthi abe to that level, because akaze ngaba goalkeeper, but I can tell you uma we play ungadlali ntwana noma umuntu odlala iposition yakho is doing well, but kunamanye ama game now uyafeel ukuthi amara la ukhuja nawe self uthi amara lana ngamphumuza sense. So I think if they can also give that boy some game time, so that team yabo ibe well balanced, because you don't want at critical phase of the season you lose your goalkeeper, your number 1 goalkeeper, and then you have a problem with your number 2 goalkeeper.
Ubani number 2 uye lo mfana loyo or uMpontshane?
No, Ubuthelezi has been
number 2.
Ebenchini emagamini amanye. Let's say we don't know who's number 2, but umuntu ohlala ebenchini kakhulu Ubuthelezi. That's nje my plea mina ukuthi please abamgayi chance nabo. Bafethu siyabonga. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers. Sizolibele sizama bafethu kunigama previews, match previews as much as we can. Noma sisashota ngento ezibhaya bafethu sponsorship. We have to say this sponsorship. We want to do more. We want to create more content, but we are still, sisalwa ngokuthi sithole sponsorship, but we appreciate Sharp for also supporting us. Kodwa one day uNkulunkulu bafethu nathi uzosikhanyisela, someone will come, and help us akwazi ukuthi asincede financially, so that we can do izinto lezi esifuna ukuzenza proper, because manje we are limited. But we appreciate your support. Keep supporting us and subscribe, share, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers. Adios.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.